Have you ever looked at a math question and thought, wait, should I divide first or multiply first? Well, this is one of those questions we are going to solve. Many students get this wrong just because they ignore the correct order of operations. But today I'll explain it step by step so you never get confused again. Let's begin. So our question is 16 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 and the whole thing divided by 2 again. So we have two parts in this question. First one is the numerator part and the second one is the denominator part. So we will solve the numerator part first. So in the numerator we have 16 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. Now according to BODMAS rule, so what is BODMAS rule? In fact, in BODMAS rule, B stands for brackets. So it states that solve an expression inside brackets, parentheses, square brackets, or curly brackets first. For multiple brackets, solve the innermost ones first and work outwards. And O stands for order. Next, handle any powers and roots such as squares, cubes, or square roots. Next one is the division and multiplication. Perform these operations from left to right, whichever comes first. They have equal precedence, so you don't solve division before multiplication or vice versa. You simply work from left to right. Last one is addition and subtraction. So finally perform addition and subtraction also from left to right, like division and multiplication. These have equal precedence and are solved in the order they appear. So here we will first calculate 16 divided by 4. That will result in 4. Then this 4 will be multiplied with 2 that result in 8. So the numerator becomes 8. Now our expression looks like this, that is 8 divided by 2. Simply 8 divided by 2 will result in 4. So this is the final answer of this question. So let's summarize it in three easy steps. First one is the focus on the numerator first. Second one is do division and multiplication from left to right. Third one is divide by the numerator at the end. So the final result is 4. So next time a question like this shows up, don't rush, don't guess. Just follow the steps. Remember, left to right for division and multiplication is the key to accuracy. Math isn't tough, it's just about the right order. Thank you so much for watching this explanation. If this video helped you, then do like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more smart math tricks and easy solutions. Your support motivates me to bring more amazing content for you. See you in the next video, and remember, math is fun when you understand it.